Dear professors, we invite you to embark on an exciting journey as we introduce you to our cutting-edge stock simulation portal. In this video, we will guide you on how to use this innovative platform, promising an engaging and experiential learning experience for the next generation of students. To begin the process, please navigate to the faculty login page and enter the credentials provided to you by the B School Rules officials, which include your email address and password. Upon successful login, you will gain access to the faculty dashboard. Within the menu, you'll find the option to access company reports. Clicking on this option will lead you to a further choice where you can select View Company. Once selected, you'll find detailed information on all the listed companies displayed on the page. If you wish to find information about a specific company, you can conveniently use the search bar located at the top right corner of the table. For instance, if you're looking for information on Axis Bank, simply type the name into the search bar, and the relevant details will instantly appear on the page. Additionally, if you want to filter companies based on a particular industry, you can do so by selecting industry from the drop-down menu. For instance, if you're interested in companies within the banking and finance sector, select Banking and Finance from the drop-down menu and click on the search button. This will display all the companies operating within the banking and finance industry on your screen. In this section, by clicking on the PDF icon, you gain access to the last 6 years' annual reports of all the companies. These annual reports are treasure troves of information, encompassing a company's balance sheet, profit and loss statement, marketing strategies, leadership insights, growth rates, corporate policies, product details, and various internal aspects. We highly encourage professors to consider incorporating these annual reports into their teaching methodology. This approach offers dual benefits to students. Firstly, it engages them with real-time insights into companies' actual activities. Secondly, professors can select companies that are potential employers for students, aligning classroom learning with upcoming campus placements. This dual approach not only helps students understand theories and their real-world applications but also prepares them for interviews with prospective employers. In this section, there's another valuable option called Overview. Clicking this button opens a pop-up window, presenting company-specific SWOT analysis, technical analysis, fundamental assessments, shareholding patterns, corporate action, the latest news, and more. For instance, if you read recent news about a particular company before your class and incorporate it as an example during your lecture, students can better connect with the dynamic realities of the market, making the learning experience more engaging, realistic, and captivating. Now, let's explore the student list. By clicking on View List, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the students registered on the portal displayed on your screen. To narrow down the list, you can filter the students by selecting their passing out year. For instance, selecting the year 2024 and clicking the filter button will display all the students who are set to complete their degree in 2024. If you wish to view the order book of a specific student, simply enter their name in the search box located at the top right corner of the table. For example, typing Harsh will reveal the details of Harsh Handa. Clicking on the Portfolio button will open a new window displaying their portfolio, including the overall investment, current portfolio value, unrealized and realized profit and loss. In the second table, you can find specific security details present in the student's portfolio. This includes the security name, industry, quantity held, total investment in that stock, average buying price, current value, and unrealized profit and loss. Returning to the previous page, you can click on Order Book View for the same student. This action opens another new window, showing transaction details such as date, time, security name, quantity bought or sold, booking price, brokerage amount, total order value, profit and loss, and the rationale behind their buy or sell decisions. This allows for an in-depth analysis of students' decision-making abilities. Back on the main page, you'll find two additional buttons. The Add Comments button enables you to provide comments to students, guiding them based on your instructions. You can also assign marks here for assessment purposes. Later, you can export all the data to an Excel sheet using the Export Data option at the top. In the latest research section, our dedicated team of expert researchers regularly updates stock recommendations, publishing them every weekday at 10 a.m. These recommendations are carefully curated based on the prevailing market trends and conditions. It's important to highlight that while we provide insights for both trading and investment, our primary objective is to instill in students a strategic and long-term investment mindset. Within the latest research tab, you'll find 5 distinct sub-tabs catering to various aspects of financial markets, trading, investment, future and option, currency, and commodity. When you click on Investment, you'll discover 3 additional sub-tabs, namely Small Cap, Mid Cap, and Large Cap. Each of these sub-tabs presents a table with a selection of securities. This table offers valuable information, including the current market prices of these securities, the target prices our experts have predicted for them, the estimated timeframes within which these stocks are expected to reach their target prices, the suggested entry prices, the price at which it is advisable to consider buying these stocks, and the stop loss levels, indicating the price at which it is recommended to sell these stocks to limit potential losses. These insights are designed to empower you with well-informed investment strategies and decisions, whether you are considering small cap, mid cap, or large cap stocks. In the modern era, many students may not be inclined to read newspapers daily. Therefore, we strongly encourage all professors to visit this page each morning and incorporate the latest market trends into their lectures. This approach ensures that students stay informed about daily market dynamics and can align their knowledge and skills with the ever-changing trends in the market. In the investment table, there's a valuable feature called Record and Monitor. When you come across research that catches your attention and decide to invest, whether it's in the actual stock market or a virtual one, you can utilize this tool to save crucial investment details for easy tracking. Frequently, we read research, make investment choices, but struggle to consistently monitor our investments due to our busy daily schedules. This can result in forgetting how long we've held a particular stock, potentially causing us to miss out on opportunities when the stock reaches its target price or undergoes fluctuations. By simply clicking the Record and Monitor button, you're prompted to input essential information, the purchase amount and the quantity of the stock you've acquired. This input allows you to effectively keep tabs on your investments. Even though the research section receives daily updates, recording your investments ensures that you can conveniently access and review them later in the Research Record section, located within the Research and Analysis tab. This feature empowers you to stay well-informed and make timely decisions concerning your investment portfolio, regardless of your busy schedule. After you've saved your data, our AI-enabled system takes charge of monitoring it. It operates seamlessly in the background, and here's how it benefits you. Firstly, when a stock in your portfolio reaches its target price, our system automatically sends you a notification. But it doesn't stop there. If you've been holding a stock for a specific duration, our system proactively notifies you 3 days before the targeted date. Additionally, if a security triggers its stop loss price, we promptly notify you to consider selling the stock. This automation is a game changer as it allows you to stay connected with the stock market, even when you're unable to actively manage your portfolio. It's designed to keep you informed and help you make timely decisions to maximize your investment opportunities. We also highly recommend that faculty members consider venturing into stock market investments. Not only can this be a means to grow your personal wealth, but it can also profoundly impact your teaching methodology. Once you become accustomed to the intricacies of the stock market, your teaching techniques naturally evolve. You'll find yourself seamlessly incorporating real-world market dynamics into your classroom discussions. In many instances, faculty members may not have direct industry experience, and even those who do often become somewhat detached from the industry after some time. Consequently, students may miss out on valuable real-time exposure to current industry practices. In today's digital age, it's crucial for students to gain first-hand insights into current industry trends. The stock market serves as a comprehensive window into various industries, ensuring that even if you're not directly from the industry, you remain consistently updated on industry insights. This, in turn, enriches the learning experience for your students, offering them valuable, real-world experiences through your guidance. We appreciate your time in watching this video. If you find value in the possibilities our simulated portal offers to enhance your students' learning experiences, we invite you to visit our website at www.vschoolgoals.com. It's important to note that our solution is trusted and widely adopted by several esteemed educational institutions in India. By incorporating this portal into your teaching, you not only gain access to valuable industry insights but also provide your students with engaging experiential learning opportunities. This can significantly contribute to their career development and help them secure the best placement opportunities. To stay updated with the latest developments and receive valuable information, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for considering how these school goals can enrich your teaching and your students' educational journey.